Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with another quick little unboxing video. Today's video, as you can see, I have the Casio and the Timex in front of me. Quick wristwatch check, by the way. I am wearing that Omega, the Seamaster, of course. But I chose these because a lot of people tend to forget that, you know, a lot of us had to start somewhere, and a lot of us were on a budget, and there's a lot of us that still are on a budget. I'm also on a budget a lot too. But people seem to shun, you know, the cheaper watches and, you know, shun them away just because they think, oh no, it's not a Rolex or it's not, you know, Omega or whatever, that it's not significant. But these are two pretty significant watches. I feel like Casio and Timex make really, really good quality pieces, especially for the price. Like I said, if you want to get a beater watch, even you want to get something, you know, stylish, whatever, you know, you're a college student or a high school student on a budget, these are definitely the way to go. The first one, as you see, is a Casio. This is, as you can see, I'd already unboxed it before. This is the F91. I have went with the kind of retro theme one, kind of cool, because the Casio F91 can be had in all kind of different configurations. And these, you know, style for, you can choose with your different outfits, with your styles, whatever. If you're kind of stylish, whatever, you know, there's different Casio F91 for everybody. And you can also get a whole bunch of these because these are really cheap. This one I think was like 11 bucks, 12 bucks on Amazon I bought it for. So look for a full review on this guy coming up. And then, as you can see, the second one is a Timex. The second one I chose is, of course, the Timex Weekender. These also come in a chronograph version. They're a little bit more, but the Timex Weekender is another one you can throw on different NATO straps and all that. I went with the white dial, the blue, and almost like tan, kind of yellow, almost sand kind of strap, I guess you can say. And again, you can throw on different NATO straps on these. You can also throw NATO straps on this one too. But this one's another kind of really cool, kind of cheap piece. You know, you can wear out, whatever. Like I said, if you're on a budget, these come in about 30 bucks on Amazon is what I paid for it. As you can see, it's got their infamous Indie Glow here. So these are pretty cool pieces. Look for a full review on this guy as well. Like I said, I like to cover all kind of different watches. Everything literally from a penny to that, you know, that $17,000 Arnold & Son that I covered, which was a pretty cool piece, was cool to see. Just to show you that there's, you know, a little bit of everything for everybody in the hobby. It doesn't have to be a $20,000 watch to be significant. It doesn't have to be a Rolex or Omega to be significant. This one here on the left is really, I feel like it's a really iconic piece. I know Tim made that video the other day about icons, but I feel like this one is an iconic piece as far as watches and watch history goes. But I mean, you would see these in almost every single 80s movies, 90s movies, you know. But again, like I said, look for full reviews of these guys coming up pretty soon. It's been a quick little unboxing of the Timex Weekender and the Casio F91. This has been Chris. Alright, peace guys.